My name is Andre Bennett, Local Disaster Manager, Public Entity of St. Eustatius. Tropical storm watch in effect for Tropical Storm Tammy. The nearest point now estimated at 53 miles east-northeast of St. Eustatius on Saturday, October 21st at 10 a.m. Winds are expected to increase to 25 to 30 miles per hour on Friday and Saturday. There is a 50 to 60% risk of tropical storm conditions late Friday afternoon until and including Saturday afternoon, and there's a 20 to 30% risk of wind speeds around 57 miles per hour. It behooves us as a local community to be ready and to stay ready for the passage of this tropical system. We are asking each and every one to continue to tune in to the government Facebook page and to listen to your local radio station for further updates on this tropical system. We also would want to advise the public to remain safe and to monitor this system.